A stronger diaphragm provides exercising muscles with more oxygen, which delays time to fatigue and extends lactate threshold. This leads to increased stamina and improved peak performance metrics. Strengthening this muscle and practicing combined respiratory muscle training, or CRMT, will develop efficient breath support for training and performance. Before getting started with Breather Fit, take a minute to focus on your breathing technique at rest. It may be helpful initially to train in front of a mirror to stay in alignment with a straight back and your shoulders relaxed. Placing your hands on the front of your lower ribs will help you feel expansion and recoil as you inhale and exhale. While using your Breather Fit, it helps to place one hand over your diaphragm to feel this expansion and recoil to ensure you're using diaphragmatic breathing. Training efficiency improves as this technique becomes wired into your brain and body.